Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your Edifier wireless headphones with iPhone. And to do this you will need to open Bluetooth on your iPhone. So here's the Bluetooth settings. Make sure that it's on and now move on to the headphones. Power them on by clicking on a button right here. Now, if you're not in a pairing mode, because by default they should be set in a pairing mode when you launch them for the first time, you might need to hold the Bluetooth button for about 5 seconds until this LED lamp starts flashing in green, like I have right here. Now you should see the Edifier W820NB in the other devices list. Click on it, and your device should be connected. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.